Number 16 on the practice sheet, we've got iron 3 sulfate reacting with potassium hydroxide, forming potassium sulfate and iron 3 hydroxide. So I'm going to do my tally. Fe. Now let me ask you a question. Does this sulfate ion appear in the same form on the other side? Yes, it does. We have a sulfate ion here. We have a sulfate ion here. It doesn't break up. So what that means is we can balance it as a unit. We have potassium, we have hydroxide. Same thing, we've got a hydroxide ion here, we have a hydroxide ion there. Does the hydroxide ion break up? Generate hydrogen gas or oxygen gas or something? No. So we can balance it as a unit. All right, 2, 3, 1, 1. 1, 1, 2, 3. I see a pattern here. All right. For whatever reason, this is my personal approach, but I've got something like that. So I've got everything appears in compounds on both sides. As a force of habit, I always start here. Once I get this balanced, I see what that changes, and I go back and I sort of teeter-totter across. So I've got 3 hydroxides here. Is there any way I can get 3 hydroxides here? Yes. I put a coefficient 3 where? Okay. So now I've got a coefficient 3 there. This is now 3. This is now 3. All right. Now I've got 3 potassium here and 2 there. What does that tell me? It's not going to work. So whenever I've got that 3-2 relationship, and I need to have a multiple of 6, huh? So what could I do here? Change it to 6. I'm going to double it. All right. What can I do here to get 6? Yeah. Times what? 3. Yeah. Coefficient 3. Okay, so let's change these, and now I've got 6 here, and I've got 3 here. All right? So that's balanced. My sulfate is balanced. What about iron? I have 2 irons here, and only 1 here. Can I balance that? Easily? How? 2 FeO3. Now I have 2 of those, 6 of those. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, we're done. So doing that, do you see what I mean about that bouncing back and forth? Like, oh, okay, I've got this balance, that threw this off, balance that. And that makes most of them fairly easy. There are a few trickier ones. Okay, I'm going to let you pick 2 that you think are really tough that you want to see done. So pick them on either side.